Right, we all know the challenge of turning up to write our book. How do we keep up the momentum? How do we keep up the enthusiasm for it? How do we even get started? And it all comes down to one thing: your why. Yes, your why. The first question you have to ask yourself in order to have the impetus to turn up every day to write your memoir on those days you've designated as writing days is your why. Why are you going to write this memoir? It's a crucial element for our theme. If you haven't already watched it, I have a whole video on theme which starts with your why. And turning up at your desk starts with your why as well. Why do you want to write your memoir? Do you want to leave a legacy for your children or your grandchildren, your descendants to come, that they know who you are, where your family came from, what the history was? It may not seem so important to your children now, but it may be much more important later down the line. I certainly would love to know some of the history of my ancestors, but there was no one to tell it. Are you wanting to celebrate your life and how you came from there to here? What happened in your life? How did you get from where you were to where you are? That's a history you want to pass on. Perhaps you've been through a really difficult time in your life, a real struggle with an addiction or with soul searching or with just coming to know who you are, and you want to share that with other people. Perhaps you want to grapple with something in your life, some revelation you have that you would really like to unpack and try to come to understand better. There are many reasons why we want to write our memoir, and they are all honorable. You just need to know what is your why. If you don't have that pinned down, if you don't have that in front of you for your reason for the next 12 months to write your memoir, you are going to get sidetracked. You are going to lose momentum. The why is imperative to turning up to write your memoir. The next question after your why is, what is in it for you? Go deeper with your question. It's beyond your why. It's what is in it for you. When you have written this memoir, what will it give you? Will it give you a great sense of satisfaction and accomplishment? Will it be a dream realized? Will it be a sense of purpose and that your life has counted, your life experiences have counted? That there's some substance to your life? That's a longing we all have, is that our lives actually count. Is that what it will give you? Go deeper into the emotional layers of what writing your memoir will give you. Perhaps it will give you the sense of a life of a writer that you've always wanted to embrace, but somehow there's something inside of you that's held you back. But by writing your memoir, you will have broken through and stepped into being the life of a writer. Is that what's up for grabs for you? Will writing your memoir bring you healing? Will it bring you understanding? Will it bring you a new way of living? Go deeper into the emotion, into those deeper, richer layers of what writing will actually give you, and your writing of your memoir in particular. And then the third question we need to unpack is, what is your relationship with writing? How much are you writing now? Has writing always been something in your life, but it wasn't something you ever took seriously? Like I've said, is it something that you actually thought you wanted to do but were never sure you were actually a writer? But it's something you want to explore, and writing your memoir will help you to do that. It can be a hobby, a pastime, and that's all you want it to be, and that's perfectly fine. Or it's become a lifeline for you. You've come to realize that it's something that actually brings life to you. And if you don't participate in it, if you don't write in some shape or form, then you will implode. Or maybe you're somewhere in between, and writing is something that you're exploring, something that you're stepping into afresh and anew for the first time. Whatever it is, write down and explore what your relationship is with writing and what you would like it to be. Right, so when we have the answers to those three questions, why do you want to write your memoir? What will writing your memoir give you? And what is your relationship with writing? And then what do you want it to be? Those are prime questions that will help you to be motivated to write your memoir. It will give you that strength, that impetus to see it through, to get started, to turn up, to put your butt in the seat, which only you can do, and to get your fingers on the keyboard. To write your memoir and to overcome procrastination, you're going to have to develop 2 skills: focus and prioritization. Knowing your answers to those first 3 to 4 questions will give you your focus. Now we need to look at prioritization. How are you going to prioritize your writing? And how are you going to structure the next 12 months so that you can write your memoir, so that you can get it finished, and you can achieve this goal you've set for yourself? Let's look at that next. So good luck with writing your memoir. I trust this has been helpful. Please give the video a like, do subscribe, and click on the notification bell if you haven't already, so that you know when the next video is available. And I'd love to know where you're at in writing your memoir. Thanks for being along on the journey. I'll see you in that next video.